Good evening everyone, this is Vaishali Jarambusa. I welcome you all to Kholongma Express YouTube channel. Here we bring updates of local, national and international news. The top news of today's are: NIT Silchar has been featured in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings with a global rank in the bone of 801 to 1000. Its position in 19th in India and first in Northeast. Atsu Kashmir General Committee celebrated its foundation day on 2nd September 2020 at the premises of historical Lord Shiva Temple located near Kashmir Capital Complex. It was founded in the year 2018 in the presence of representatives from Atsu CDC. President Gautam Burman welcomed all the members and wished for further developments of the Atsu Kashmir Committee. The national news are: PM Modi's Twitter account hacked, company confirms action taken to secure his account. Kiran Shruti from Tamil Nadu declared best IPS probationer. 131 IPS probationers, 28 lady probationers would be in passing out parade and graduating from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad on September 4th. This year, Kiran Shruti from Tamil Nadu has been declared as best IPS probationer. Kiran Shruti will recommend passing out parade. PM Narendra Modi has agreed to be chief guest virtually as the ceremony, said Atul Karwal, director of Academy. The international news are: NASA congratulates Indian astronomers on discovery of star galaxy 9.3 billion light years away. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) has congratulated the Indian astronomers who were responsible for the discovery of one of the farthest star galaxies in the universe. The team had discovered a star galaxy which was located 9.3 billion light years away from Earth. Now the news in education. Assam government to set up university named after the last Chotia Queen at Golaghat. Assam government decided to set up a new university was approved by the Assam Legislative Assembly on Wednesday. The new university will be named as Sati Sadhani, who was the last queen at Chotia dynasty. Now the news in entertainment. Kangana Ranaut demands drug test for Bollywood A-listers. Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut, in an ridiculous tweet, has requested Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor and Mukherjee and Vicky Kaushal to give their blood samples for a drug test, claiming that there have been rumors to have cocaine addictions. Kangana also tagged the Prime Minister's office on her tweet. The news on technology are: PUBG banned in India's latest salvo against Chinese apps. Government blocks 118 mobile apps which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. PUBG Mobile, Nordic Map, Living, PUBG Mobile Lite, WeChat Work and WeChat Reading are among the banned mobile apps. Now the news in sports. ITBP mountaineers scaled 22,222 feet Leah Pergil peak in Himachal amid COVID-19 crisis. The ITBP Indo-Tibetan Border Police. The mountaineers have successfully scaled the 22,222 feet Leah Pergil peak in Himachal Pradesh on 31st August. The sector headquarters of Indo-Tibetan Border Police Shimla has a 16-member ITBP team, out of which 12 members climbed the mountain. Credited with 213 successful mountaineering expeditions, ITBP posted a small video of the moment on Twitter to share their success with people. That's all for today's news. We will come live on our FB page, that is Kholongma Express, every Sunday. So this Saturday, which is Teachers Day, 5th September, we want all of you come as a viewers. There will be 2 special guests and we would like all of you to pin down your questions. We will try to answer your questions, and also do like our FB page and also subscribe to our channel Kholongma Express.